Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about most beautiful, most trendy, most wearing, most demanding women crochet bracelet designs. Beautiful designs, beautiful ideas, beautiful color combination contrasts as you can see. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoy the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and trendy women crochet bracelet designs, mind-blowing designs and ideas. You can see in this my video, every design is different, every design is beautiful and trendy. Stylish color combination contrasts, beautiful light colors, dark colors, beautiful color combination contrasts you can see in this my video. You can visit my channel and see more collection about crochet, about women fashion, about baby fashion, about home accessories you can see also. You can easily make these very beautiful crochet bracelets if you know crochet work. Beautiful flower patterns, knitted patterns, easy to make, easy to wash, beautiful and trendy crochet bracelet designs. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way you never miss my video in my collection. Friends, I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you, so please don't forget to like my video and don't forget to share my video, and also give the feedback in the comment section about my collection. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.